Welcome to multiple choice question 18 of the 2006 Mathematical Methods Exam 2. In this video we will be looking at the solution for this question. A reminder that this video is in no way endorsed by VCAA. Before we look at the problem, I'd just like to point out that the use of a CAS calculator may be helpful in answering this question, but it's certainly not essential. So for question 18 we have a discrete random variable x has the following probability distribution. If the mean of x is 0.3, then the values of a and b must be one of the following options. So because we have two unknowns, a and b, we'll actually need to set up two equations to solve for a and b. So the first equation that we're going to set up is that the sum of all of the probabilities must add to 1. So therefore we know that a plus b plus 0.4 must equal 1. The second equation that we set up is based on the fact that the mean of x is 0.3. We have a formula for the mean of x, that is that the expected value of x is equal to the sum of, and that's what that funny E looking thing is the sum of the x value times the probability of x. And we know that that must equal 0.3 for this question. So therefore, we have -1, the x value, multiplied by its probability of a, plus, because we're summing all of these things up, 0 times b, plus 1 times 0.4 must equal 0.3. Therefore, we have -1 times a is -a, plus 0b, so that's just plus 0, so we don't need to write that. And then 1 times 0.4 is just 0.4, is equal to 0.3. And we can pretty quickly work out that that means that a must be 0.1. And then using the top line, we'd have 0.1 plus something plus 0.4 equals 1. So the b value must be 0.5. Now, if you wanted to, you could have put those two equations into a calculator and used the simultaneous equation solver to find that a equals 0.1 and b equals 0.5. And that's shown on that screen just there. So that means that the correct answer for this question must be option D. From the examiner's report, we can see that just over 3/4 of students got that question correct, which means that it was fairly well done in an exam like this.